Image size versus canvas size, and how do you change them? In this video, you're going to learn a little bit about the differences in specifications on the Photoshop file. So when you first open a photograph, you can see your document specs down here in the corner. This tells me what size my image is and how large it is, what color profile it is. There's a lot of information down there. Under the main menu of image, we can see image size and canvas size. It's a little confusing of which one to pick. Your image size allows you to change the actual photograph and its specifications. So we have the ability to change the size of an image different from when we opened it. We can make it larger or smaller. We can compress it. We can change the resolution. And what's nice is it has some built-in custom sizes, some ones that photographers use often, like 8x10 and 5x7 and 4x6. I just quickly changed this really large photograph of a bridge to an 8x10 high resolution image. I'm going to save it with a very specific name so I can find it later and print it. It's important that we save our images with clear names so we can find them. I also want to make the quality of the file large and maximum so that when it prints, it looks good. I went under the image menu and this time I clicked on canvas. I want you to see the difference in canvas size versus image size. So the canvas is like the workspace. Like think of a painting canvas or the workspace in Adobe Illustrator. It's the area we have to paint and work and do things within Photoshop. Under image canvas size, you have the ability to add to your canvas at any time that you're working. You can add space in all directions, to the top, to the bottom, to the side, and you can even pick what color you want it to be. So that's what I'm doing here. I am taking my image that is 6.9 by 10 inches and going to add a couple of inches on each side of the image. I am adding to the canvas size, not the image size. So you can see what happened here. I made this lime green matte shape around my photograph image. So I'm trying to show you what the canvas looks like. And again, you can make this any color you want. So the canvas is like the workspace, and the image is like your photograph. They both play a part in the size of the file as far as how huge it is, how many pixels, or the resolution. But in Photoshop, you can change your canvas separately than your image. And I wanted you to know that because last year, this information was on the certification test. Now that I'm done creating a larger canvas size on my image, I'm going to go ahead and save it. In Photoshop, you have control to change the image size, the canvas size, the file type size, the resolution. You have the ability to change many things. That's the basics of how you change an image and a canvas. Thanks for watching.